Hi, fella.
No.
Where's your ball? Want to go get it and throw it?
No, guys.
No. Where's your truck?
Fuck.
Where's your truck?
Fuck.
Where's your fire truck?
No.
Can you say truck?
Duck. Beep, beep.
Beep, beep. Is that your truck?
That you do fuck.
Oh, you're taking your truck. Are those your balloons? From your birthday party?
Yeah.
Balloons.
Three puppies. I.
You got your truck.
Beep, beep, mommy.
You got your truck, Dolly?
Fuck. Yeah.
Is that what that is? It's a truck? This is a G-rated show, big fella. Where's your fire truck?
Aki.
Thank you. You're all done charming it up for the camera? What's this, Elliot? No, you're not going to say truck? Please.
Daddy do. Daddy do. Daddy do.
All right, see you later, Lammy. Hi, teens.
Daddy do. Hi, mommy.
Hi, beauty queen.
Hi, mommy. Hi, mama.
Hi, Dolly.
Hey, mommy.
Hi. Can you say love you, Mommy?
Yay, mommy.
I love you too, Teensy. Does Annika have your truck? Does she have your truck?
Yeah, mommy.
Is that your sissy? Two. Okay, all done shooting. Say that's a wrap.
Sissy.
Annika, you say that's a wrap.
Sissy.
All done.
Sissy.
Say all done.
Sissy. Hi, Sissy.
Hi, sissy.
Hi, Sissy.